Hoi, biko, ebe onye nọ na-abata anya biko kaba arụ na-share this video biko. Ebe ị nọ na-apụta, ebe ọbụla ị nọ, kaba arụ share video because I will say the truth again and nothing but again the truth. Ama m na a lot of you ama na this type of okwu ya apụta. But chekwana ihe anyị eme, anyị ekwu bụ gịnị na anyị ekwu ya. Mom na many of you mara n'ụdị okwu a ya apụta tata. But I so much tango n'okwu anụ apụta. I've been exhausted since yesterday. I've been very, very tired. I don't know. God. I am not red. But nevertheless, I have to make this video before Ngawe eventually or mayhem choli. First of all, I want to start by saying Mr. Biko onye na-abata kaba arụ na-share this video biko iwe n'iwe o biko. First of all, I want him to clear the air because now I wanna mala this part of this okua mba nkete. That means I am wicked. I wanna mala this part of this okua no si aga and the dimension okua no gabago, and I refuse to say anything about act of wickedness. Now, let's go back to March 7th. 2024. Yeah, this year. March 7, 2024. You know, I this posted in and we have a Jpac video because yesterday I took my time to go back and refreshing my head because I know that now I knew something about this thing now, but can happen go to the kahakucha. I said again, he who laughs last laughs the best. I'm not here to gain econo, and I'm not here to support Wonya, but I'm here to clear the air for some people. Na mara here man. Akwa is that now. If Governor Izoku can remember very well, on March 7, 2024, yeah, we're saying you Abia station that very day, Jpac arrest. Sorry if I'm sounding this way, but Governor Izoku should know that if I know what can you be at that station that very day. Izoku na na hese photo na na reme anything. But God is my witness. I don't know kachukwa mano di hanu wa yeme. Last week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I'm close to that station, Ebenjelolo. Then I was talking to my woman and I said, nekwa that station akpota Jpac mbahu. Nekwada station akpota gini Jpac that time. So I cause akoko makia that one day also ga. I never knew that a day like this will come. And I don't want to talk about anything men at that station since that very time. Mba nkete makia because na gini me only God deserve all the glory, not gini human being. On March 7, 2024, like I said, bikina bata na share this video. Na share this video because na onwere ha be megide like this. Na ajusi eziokwu na ayimma kwefo nwere onye no na internet space na mo na Jpac na acho ezigbote okwu. Jpac chosiala. That's the truth. Jpac chosiala. Imna na mmadu dia amom no ayakpe ma na mmadu pempe uno mgba ipele asi na nwa di agala. Jpac na achọ ncha n'okwu. And ọnụ ya onu Jpac yalo 20-story building in 1 minute. Onu Jpac yalo gini 20-story building in 1 minute. So on March 7, before the name go Jpac arrest, but he had no begin event in March 7, 2024. Abia Station. Yes, so happiness, good morning. This is Abba Channel TV, good morning. You are welcome. All of you are welcome. Abia Station, which an answer where Abia. So when I'm taking very good permission from you to play this video. Despite the fact now, I want to play for this video, but I have to play this video. Because anytime for this post, I took permission from you to play this video for her. Alright
everyone, yeah, so if there's a video playing on this background now, you will see the video. I want to speak to bloggers, and this is very, very simple. Yes. The way you celebrate when your fellow blogger has issues, that is the way we will celebrate the day you have problem. We will forgive you. Yes. That is seniority. But I can tell you that we will keep quiet for a very long time and watch what people will do to you. It is when you are exhausted that we will come up. Yes. The moment you are exhausted, and you will earn your freedom. And let me tell you one.
Now, this video was made March 8, 2020. Well, that's why I'm just saying. Now, March 7th, something man. I better station because now, Opolo na here kana Jpac that very moment. Obo na ife anyo benye holu Jpac aka na sell. Like the news is flying. Obo na ife anyo benye holu Jpac aka na sell. Omwe Emily Jpac arrest that very day. I don't think na Jpac yapta made this post in the new because each the date. This date happened on March 7, 2024. I have to go back and look for this thing. And I was looking for the video, man. I was looking for video Jpac man after this post. I did not find it. I only saw the one of Governor Eziokwu. Which Governor Eziokwu later posted it on March 8, that very day. Because on March 7, I bought a station, and to God bear me witness that very day, because now Governor Eziokwu was meant to enter Lagos March 6th. But one thing lead to another. Obata Lagos that very day. Then March 7, go bata Lagos Nima Bani. March boy only Kobolebe Obata Lagos around 1 or 2 a.m. on Kaban that very day. So I bata station. Before I'm on a phone, what direction I be no. Now I'm getting an na station already before me. We see okay. I was in the station now. Giddy. A team of many lawyers were there. Team of many lawyers were there na station now. Team of many lawyers were there, including lawyer Nwa Mr. Ibu. Because that lady that day take her time to put Obia station. And I so much thank God na Governor Eziokwu kwale na video yesterday. That lady was supposed to be in station in the morning, but she kept everybody waiting, hoping na no ya charge Jpac to court. O charge Jpac to court. Ka Jpac lahukwa na that prisoner again. Kachi we for so that the following day ki he we bido we me again, because just me na about her station that very day until around 2 or 3 p.m. Go to Battle station that day. Yabu station iron on here since so to around 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Kind of at that station. Like I was said, all these things me again me monanya. All these things me monanya. Makandi na ase na akpolu Jpac kpọ na phone na ase na ifanyo baseli ya no sele ifan no sele na akpọ ntu akpọ. If Ifeanyi did not come to Jpac help that very day, what could have happened to that station? Because now that lady, also be idea. People came, people played their part that very day. I'm not in a way writing everybody that played their part off. but I'm saying what I witnessed with my eye. Because that very day, Mwa, Governor Eziokwu, and one guy shot Jpac that stood for him, because now the case became so hot in Agineme that they have to bring Governor Eziokwu say your picture on ICS and do she picture or about Emegine Segi mug. They have to keep Governor Eziokwu na wall hakacha line like this. Say your photo that place as a shotty. Because Nagineme, the case is taking another different turn. If not for prominent people, nobody knows the plan of Jasmine that very day. Because first of all, Aselena Amanji phone Batana station, when Jasmine entered with the phone. Oku jiwe sena station, Jpac jiwe bawa mbasena. On no account will I see you post my picture on a police station na social media. On no account will I see you post my picture on a station na social media. Yan na gunu bogene. Ihe mene anyam that very day. I refused to speak about ihe nine men na police on that very day. All I did was, after all said and done, naba long that very day. And ever since then, I never for one to open my mouth say mother nanso we be that station. Manon we have found it out yesterday. Ninkwa other than ka isna na twice. Ne video Governor Eziokwu me yesterday. Ko no no ya. Ne video me yesterday.
I went to the commander and discussed with him. They brought Jpac out from the counter where he was sitting, another place. If you know that place, they have only offices and the cell is inside. So Jpac was kept where they do this thumb printing. This was where I met him. So they brought him, I encouraged the police there, they brought him. He now sat with me and Supo Walaka, who paid attention, and the man's concern was on how to resolve the issue. So the tall man, Igbo, the man said that the IPO should call Jasmine. Let's see how they can resolve this matter. Hence, I am here. They called Jasmine. Jasmine did not come for over an hour. I waited.
Over an hour. We have that approximately. Because now nobody on phone on a station that very day. Because even him talking was so tired that very day. No. He was so tired that very day because now John Young were close. I was there. I witnessed it all. Because now even the equally high is that now any part of Okua as in a Jpac say he doesn't want to call Ifanyo back. Then who are those people that were in the station? Who are those team of lawyers on a station that very day? Kebe hasibia. Kedu ebe hasi we bia? I keep asking that question. Because some Webia station, people were already there. People we are getting, we are there already. Guinea mezi. That is in new weather. I fell because I have the point to speak to one of the lawyer, Bian Kenwoke, which I don't want to mention his name. Also no si Abuja. No si Abuja. Ebia. No si ebe Abuja we ebia that very day. Ona wata kaika na aga. Bia diplomatic. Obo na ema ihe si na page apo. Obo na ema ihe just on this video I never mentioned anybody's name. On this video na-ekwu my own part of the story ihe men na station because here ekwu okwu before mbido this video asem na obulu na mmal part of this story man. I never wanted to say anything over na Governor Eziokwu made this video yesterday. And my mind went back to Yemen station. More than a chief echefu. More than a chief echefu. Obolo na Governor Eziokwu made this. I wouldn't have remembered na when Yemen station because even me, I forgot na Jpac with the police case since. Because email he chief we makia we po bigi there. It took me time to go. It's a ransack page Jpac. Mote this post March 7. How many posts Jpac can I drop in a day? You're not saying what's your point now. Open ibia here echo pay attention echo ibia kwasili. You get out. You get out on hebuna. You say about more time for this nonsense, sir. And more time for this rubbish na kwadi here. You know what? If late Senator Ifeanyi did not help Jpac in our station, do you know that case is where I'm trying to arrive at something, arrive somewhere. Only witness as an eyewitness of Ihemena station that video to say his own part of the story. To say his own part of the story, and I say, Obuna Senator Ifeanyi Babulo one nigga see on na drag gear up and down on social media, or I deg my will fake account not barely. Chineke na bukwa on that place, you know. Chineke na bukwa on that place.
And ideas were coming that video was wrong. It was wrong.
Idea na that video the wrong. Nana because one of the lawyer was saying that, like I said from this video, when you ask him, no Jpac na achon chanuku. Na Jpac chosiala. You know, with Jpac, he amotike se achoku. Omu Jpac ye juonu, 20 story building in 1 minute. That video was wrong, which is what some of the lawyers said. Then kunu gent here man because but I'm coming here as a witness of what happened that very day. And I will also say my own part of this because now after stress that he went out because now they just mean nyabia. They just mean nyabia that very day nyabia. Only this man have to leave. I was there standing that place for many hours. But just maybe I have to busy. This lady because that was my first time of seeing her. What are you saying? You see, this man is not a good person. He wants to condemn his madam Ogechi Okeke that place. Wickedness up and down. An issue of this young man and all this. Witness. I'm trying to arrive at something, but you don't want to pay attention. Also,
while they were trying to amend the charges, the lawyer of Jasmine came. And they were trying all possibilities to drag the matter to court. Along the line, I now considered myself that hence the video is the problem. I explained to Jpac while he was sitting with me one-on-one. Tell the police to hand over your phone to me.
Tell the police to hand over the phone to Governor Ezeoku. This thing only quick time may before Mbia. May before I arrived the station because no go there before me. I handed the phone over and he did what he's supposed to do because now that lady Choline Jpac, if I'm not telling you, that lady Choline Jpac bomb. That lady Choline Jpac to the highest. And assembly did not come and you know mpotuna ye kwete. Obolo na mbia, would you have believed ma obona nne ekuya? Would you have believed ni obona nne ekuya? Would you have believed? This video brought out a lot of memories. This video, if you make it, made me to remember a lot of things made that very day. That is why you wear the church shirt because now this is the shirt you wear that very day. All of you will tag me and be able to defend the Jpac. ohuni atagi kita apụtakwa na nkwekwu okwu anụ ọhịa bụ uche agwago nge na akwefu gị na page a ka ya nọ wee nwụ na page anyị nọ kịta ka ya nọ wee nwụ.
Let's know what we can do so that the evidence of that particular video we are talking about online was still on Jpac's page. So Jpac accepted and approached the man. We now told the policeman clearly to please give us the phone, hand over the phone to me. I behaved as if I'm about leaving, but we needed his phone for his business. So while we were talking about that, the man accepted and it was written, Jpac signed. Jpac knew that I cannot operate the phone there. Already he has given me the password of the phone. So we brought up the idea that he needs drinking water and food. The phone has been handed over to me. The details of these signatures are still at the police. They are all verifiable. That's why I said you can verify.
Ozo ije verify ya ije station now ka m gwa gị ihe ya afụ die ya afụ picture governor eziokwu ese mugshot without the glasses. Ije chọwa picture governor eziokwu ya afụ without glasses. Jee na station oni comes on 2 jee ibanye die ije sị ka ị chọọ the case file ya afịa die then ifu picture Jpac mugshot ya kwụ ọ bụ plaka edele ihe na ya afịa na that station. You have focused on that station now, Yotago. Then if you ID card photocopy ID card ya, munga bi hemelia. Yotago. Let's forge ahead.
I collected the phone and I left outside. I went outside. I bought water and I did not buy food. I deleted that video. Go and check if you are intelligent on the internet. Jpac cannot be in custody and videos will be deleted on his phone, his page. So I was the one who deleted that particular video myself, not even Jpac, so that the evidence will not be there while I approach this lady, Jasmine. The evidence and the pains will no longer be there, pulling her heart or her conscience. I deleted that video. Before I left outside, Jpac told me the password of his phone and told me to please reach out to Seaman Global and Senator Patrick Ifanyoba. When I got outside, I called Senator's number as Jpac directed. The number didn't go on direct call. I tried, didn't go on direct call. I came back and submitted the water to Jpac and told him that the number was not going. But I've reached out to Seaman Global. Seaman is still alive. Ask him my name, the voice that called him on that day, if it was that of Jpac. I called him. Then the time was around after 12, getting to 1.
You know, Giha from beginning. As when adjustment did not show up, Neho 1 hour approximately. Because this lady meant bad. This lady chogine koji the Jpac to and give millions of naira claim on a station that place. If not for the help of Senator Ifanyoba and other people that show up that very day. If not for the help of Senator Ifanyoba, David is who could have believed our report? Oh, Nambuno nkiti mechi ono unasi or imechi ono. Obo namkwe before Governor Okuko, would you people have believed it?
Jpac now told me that I should call him through WhatsApp or I should drop a message to him on WhatsApp. I went out again for the second time. Upon bringing out the number, I sent a message to him. Jpac can still bring out this message if he checks his phone. I brought out the number of Senator Ifanyoba and did a text message to his WhatsApp. Please.
Now, get into video ha member apụta station. Because now, mgbe I on a station, if Ifanyoba did not help Jpac, how comes this post Ujiwe made this post? And how comes mgbe apụta na station ka video Governor Izokume? Ka video Governor Izokume mgbe apụta na station that very day? Because I find it hard to believe. That is why I'm here. I find it very hard to believe that a Jpac, he said he could this kind of thing. We are knowing fully well that now, this is what he did after Apota from station that very day. Oh, this video was a volume. No. Ihe a bụ video Governor Izokume that he thanked all the whole team of lawyers that very day, including Seaman Global, including Senator Ifanyoba, including Akwa. These are the people working there. That video was made, opening your Ghana page. Yeah, for that video was made March 8th. I keep asking myself, Obolona Ifanyoba did not even help, did not in a way play a role na this thing, man. What prompted him in making this post? Because that very day, Obolona, if not for one thing, and the kind of lawyers in that place that very day, Jpac, Okwa Kaide longer than we expected. Okwa Kaide me again longer than we expected. So because I want to ebenya boku si apata that Jpac made a comment na Jpac kuloku. Because na nyanwa bonyo no na station, nyanwa mmado no kpolo tupu mu abia die. Nyanwa mmado ne lawyers bia from so and so person, from anybody obona no na that station. Nyanwa ma lawyer one bia na that place. Nyanwa mmado no kpo na phone tupu mu abia that place. Marom no ori page akoza yon de ha ko fake one. Huh? Or repage akoza yon de ha ko the fake page. Because obono repage akoza yon de ha no fine and good. Na you ku get mountain. Obono repage akoza yon de ha get mountain na ka nku oku. Because now I believe now you played a role na that case that very day. No one as eyewitness on our station that very day. If you can call your lawyer, one lawyer nke nwoke when you na abono ni that very day, a discuss oku. Or if you can still reach out to the man, you reach out to him because they are mboku anu wa na linger like this. Obi abia condemn totally some of the Jpac online. Or condemn ya. That guy in other place in Kenwoke and in Kenwanyi ozo. With Jasmine lawyer Jasmine Otabu in Kenwanyi. And Amorom, what happened before I came? Man, I hear stand on be that. Obulo na onwero rule Senator Ifanyoba play na that place. How come about this post? How come about a video thanking him? How come about a video thanking him for the role of play? How come about a video thanking Seaman Global for their video, for their role ha play? How come about thanking you for the role you also Akwa play? That's why I say I'm on na page or repay because I can't really see it from here. I can't see it from here. I'm on under use the fake account called the repay, called the repage. Mana obolo no go ba na you kun. Obolo go adi. I'm talking to you now directly. The allegation, I will not say it not true because I'm not on there. I will not made the call. Another made the call. Another made a call. I did not hear about it until today. But my question is, Chairman, Obuluna, because now Jpac made a post. Jpac made a post. Also na contact again. Contact Akwa, Siman Global, and Efanyuba Bosho. He made that post, tagging you in that post. I saw it yesterday also. When I check wall, yeah. Because I'm not something man at that station. Or I was the same person Oku no chori Kenya Laka. Oku na the person near such act. Because the person that stood up for him. That is the area I'm coming in from. Let I go. That is the area I am coming from. Opolona, this thing now, on. It is again, it is a word of Ogechi and Jpac word because now nyawane kwoku obo no nwolunku. Obo no nwolunku we na-ekwu ihe ọ na-ekwu. Opolona all ihe ọ nụrụ ka ọ dị sure of. Then what come about this case? Because I keep seeing it that very day that thing. Then what happened? Why did Ifeanyuba now show up? Obo no chọrọ ikpe ya. Or did he later called him like this, like Governor Zoku is saying, and everything went according to plan? Una agakwa n'oge achọkwa n'ime ihe I check because na ọ bụ na Ifeanyuba nọ ndụ ọ zala ọnụ ya ọ ekwula ọnụ ya because na I see no need of dragging the dead into ihe niile a na-eme from many need in here. Like ndị Igbo niile na-asị na ha na-support Ifeanyuba na are the same ndị Igbo ahụ nọkwa na criticize Ifeanyuba bụ di mgbe rumo na-aga n'oji private jet ya wee bunata Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. I still don't get it. I still don't get it. 22 weeks ago, Ibiachi Ekpe Jpac, the same people now were the same people now support here now, or the same people now that time. I keep asking, my question is, if Ifeanyuba did not step in, Guinea prompted this post, my question. Because Asonye J station, Asonye Sowebia station, I'm a mayhem for. Namba Governor Zoku Pulezi, namba Babia Suwa ke photocopy, ke nka, ngwa na file na nka nwa jeje photocopy, na passport onya, jeje photocopy, na akwụkwọ nka jeje photocopy, oburo na photocopy nka 4 times, photocopy nka 3 times. All those things, man, at that station. And he came out and he thanked the dignitaries. He came out and thanked the dignitaries that turned up for him. Okunekwe about this morning is not about Madebo Agege or not being Agege. All I'm saying is that now, Ihem Konya is that Obolona. Obolona, Ifeanyuba did not show up. Why this post? We kebe post as we put. Ani nema yes na Jpac na choku. Ani nema. Onwere onye nọ na social media no now na-eme Igbo content na moro na Jpac na achọ ezigbo okwu. and him also. All this issue of every time ndị ụka nka ịgbakwala akwụkwọ n'ụlọ ụka. Ndị ụka ọ na-emejọ gị iwe jekwa n'ụlọ ụka wee je gbaa akwụkwọ. Onye ka sị ma go and settle with Mr. Governor Eziokwu, and secondly, try to be a man. Stop fearing Ogechi and co. Be a man. Governor Eziokwu gwara sị na okwu na-ese nwunye ya na-abụ. Let's start with. Ọ bụ na ọ gwara na okwu na-ese nwunye ya na-abụ, then bring out a proof ebe ahụ ọ sị gị na okwu na-ese nwunye ya na-abụ. Anaghị m atụ Ogechi egwu, but I'm still questioning. Ihe na-question bụ gịnị mere? Gịnị mere? Because Governor Eziokwu came out yesterday kwuo ihe niile mee na station, kwe ka o si wee za call, kwe ka o si wee send the text message, which na I did not touch phone Jpac aka. Onye ọbụla bata na that station ahụ na-ewe phone ya adrọpụ n'ezi. But what became a bone of contention bụ na mgbe Jasmine ji phone nke ya wee bata station. That is where the bone of contention started that very day. Even when we settled the case around 4-5 or so, when we settled that case, one policeman bịa were aka ya nyalụ moto Jpac nyapụta ya ezi with mụnwa n'ime ya. Jasmine don ọzọ n'ime ebe a na-aba kwe. After all said and done, the okwu ended like that very time. Onye ọbụla mee gịnị si ọ na-aha na asịrị na Jpac ya na report ọ dịkwa every week na station. Oh man. So Ifeanyi osizi n'azụ after that call kpọzie Ifeanyi Uba ka Ifeanyi Uba bịanyere ya aka, which is something I still find it very difficult to understand. Which is what I find it very difficult to also understand. One thing about our people is that now, if people are like you know from all around, like know from all around, mana ebe support hana become so emotional n'ihe unu na-eme. Ọ bụrụzi ahịa onye ọbụla kwọzikwa ikwu okwu den ọ gbasazikwa unu. Onye ọbụla chọrọ ikwu okwu den, it's none of your business. Ihe ọbụla onye a na-akọzikwa ya na-akọ, but you people have already concluded. A lot of you kita na-agbago okwu a na support onye ọbụla nọ na social media nwee gịnị nwee ndị ha belong to ndị ha na support. Mana ọ bụrụ na ndị Igbo anyị show Ifeanyi Uba this love a na-eshow ya kita anụnwa, ọ bụrụ na a show ya mgbe ọ dị ndụ, this man could have done more. Ọ bụrụ na ndị Igbo anyị this kind of ihe a na-eme gudi na ọ bụrụ na ndị Igbo anyị show this love, this man could have done more. Ọ bụrụ na Jpac kwuo ya, I was not there. Ọ bụrụ na o kwuru ya, mụnwa anọrọ m that place. Jpac on his own part did very wrong. He humiliated Ogechi, because that is where the problem started, because all her anger was na humiliate Olympia, na ebupụtara ozu mpia. Jpac the very wrong. When we post email on Sunday, ask him the word I am sorry is far more stronger than who are you. Oh, we be here megide, as long as 99 bụ ndị Igbo. If people can come out and plead for Ijele, after Ijele, after all Ijele kwu, people came out, baby, say ka eme happier. There is still that part of onye Igbo ọbụna. No, that there is this still part of love onye Igbo nwere ebe nwanne nwoke nọ. enwe love onye Igbo nwere ebe onye Igbo ibia no matter what ihe ọbụla onye asọkwa ame ọsọkwa anya ka egbugide daa na today. At the end of the day, we'll still arrive at one thing, which is gini udo. I am pleading to everybody involved. Everybody involved, I am pleading. If Jpac hear again to this voice now, biko do. If you can go and apologize to Ogechi, apologize. Because now, go and Megan and apologize to her. The word I am sorry doesn't mean that you are weak. It shows that you need peace. That is when you put here first. You will again go see where me. Here many room na station is what I am getting. I am speaking. When you go short till Jpac that very day, and one man guarantee ya. Don't loko onye major say bagalo, but as long as Nanti Igbo can consign, there is this part of peace. There is this part of peace in Megan we still need. Johnson Suleiman say, forgiveness is not memory loss. You can forgive somebody, but you will never forget what that person did to you. You can forgive somebody, but you can never forget what that person did to you. The both parties has been hurt in a way. You as a person next step in the case, na the thing what is your role you play in that place? Careful again na ensure no kudo wede. Kita, so many names has been called, so many things has been said. About TikTok, you will not rest. The video is circulating everywhere on TikTok and everywhere. Ogechi bụ nwa mmadụ. Let's not forget that fact. Ogechi megine bụ nwa mmadụ. We should not dispute the fact na yanwaku bụ nwa mmadụ. She has every right iwe to what the gene to hear melia, because na okwu mpiano na oburo today ka ekwubelia. As I blame only Choloku na this case, I blame Jpac more. Because Jpac can choke well. Or na chogini oku well. It's an again and do ka na-aza aloko. Mana still ma hapụkwa that ndo ka ha zuelu gị ike. Ọ bụ na you make up your mind to decide na gị na onye ahụ ama nloko, go your way and walk out. When you decide then again a mother man look ozolo, you go back and gine and rest. You know, I say that I'm not man enough, and I'm not gaining enough. So now, you gonna ka apota ka egbuwe ka azobadi. Elena na begging. So see here after every morning, you put the phone, you call job. Every morning you put the phone, you call job. I ato nugidezi ogo nugide ogo till this year ago. Muna mother make call here if I feel that that ukwu afuna na ukwu anunga is going beyond amendment. Onwere okwu ya bo sebe imekwata ya dey very hard. Enwere okwu ya bo sebe imekwata that okwu ya dey very hard. What will you do is gonna be biko I am gonna sorry. In any way ọbụna nsi wee mejọ, in any way ọbụna nsi wee mekpa o mejọ, anyị niile bụ mmadụ. So okay, ọnabụ Ogechi ejeyo Jpac biko. No, let's say the fact. Ọnabụ Ogechi yejeyo Jpac biko. Which na open if you this thing of he and one out na Ogechi was the first to be offended. Ogechi was the first Guinea to be offended. Ndị Igbo si na nara achọ ọgụ mma. Akwa efulu ọgụ ada achụ ya mma. Mmadụ tụ ego ọkpọ efuru ihe ya emefu na onye akara gị ike. Ọ bụla alụ ka inwe ịta ya na ntị ọ ịtapị ya imi. That's the way na anara achọ ọgụ mma. That's the way nsi afụ okwu anụnwa na. As long as na anara achọ ọgụ mma, okwu aghasago. What will retain this case bụ na gịnị mere? Ịpụta honorably. Onye na-akpọ honorably. Because na onwere onye ya apụta now. Onwere ya apụta na achọ ka edozie okwu a that will now stand on the path of peace. Onye ọbụla pụtara okwu a na-achọ ka mmadụ na-abụ continue n'ụbọ ọgụ. Ọ bụ na mmadụ na-abụ na anụ ọgụ, isi of ịbịa na-eseparate a, ịchọ onye ya akwelu. Don't come much safe. For you to separate fight, you go first of all separate quarrel. To separate quarrel. Ona kunu bịa kpụpụta mmadụ mgbe ahụ. Adragia and the company, because I'm beginning to see that in the Igbo every month new thing, every month new crisis, every month new crisis. Last month by this time, ihe na ayabu nwoke si na ọkwụrụ ụgwọ na chọrọ ibulu mmanya, nwoke mee nke anụnwa na chọrọ ibulu mmanya. That was what was raining last month. Ndị Igbo ọ bụzi every month I achọ ofu ihe na-akọ. Which I said it categorically then na nwoke anụnwa chọọ ka okwu anụnwa bie. He should go and apologize to Akuzayon first. Or apologize to Akuzayon, because there's nothing like refund of money after payment in a business. He should go and apologize, or he should come and carry his goods. Which na check that na maybe check that na the man was not the prime receipt of the goods. Or munye. Mana ndị Igbo anyị bịa with emotions, because na unu hate ndị ụka ejide Akuzayon gbi ka egbu mgbe ahụ. Kita no, in a same stand up as a man and do what, for crying out loud? Stand up as a man and do what? Kanjuke. Stand up as a man, or na standing up as a man ka emezi gịnị? Stand up as a man ka sikpụta Jpac tụọ ya nga. Stand up as a man ka sikpụta Ogechi tụọ ya nga. Stand up as a man and do what exactly? Ihe a two people nwe gịnị? Nwe problem. Two people nwe problem. And I say stand up as a man, fear man, and do what to kwana. Kunu no lozana behind the keyboard uno na kwe na type kwe. O today unu support onye ata, one nature na support onye anu ata. Mwa pụta no si unu na gịnị? Na ihe me na station that very day, March. Approximately March. Na ihe me na station that very day. Na ihe me na station. Na this man a na-ekwu okwu anụnwa came for Jpac. He came for Jpac. It's not me that said it again. Governor Ezoku said it in his video, because na ihe mmadụ na-abụ nọ na station mgbe o mere. A lot of you na-ekwu na nọ na this comment section amadị mgbe this thing eme. A lot of you nọ na that post nọ na comment section that very day. Una amadị na-eji Jpac eji n'ime self. Una amadị nọ n'ime. Una moro ka that girl is we claim damages of millions of naira. Una moro the damages o claim. And I say blame Ogechi for calling Ifeanyi Uba. I should blame Ogechi for calling. I should blame Ogechi for calling Ifeanyi Uba. Will you also blame Jpac for gaslighting the issue? before you see her call Ofanyo, but gini ka Jpac buzo we man. Because the picture she keeps circulating, and some of the backup she keeps circulating was the prime thing beginning behave bido seboku. That's the bone of contention. That's the bone of contention. No one on emelenu emelana. Ekwumia before. Mgbe saga akuzayon ne wasem na emelenu emelana. The same biko ahụ aya me ilwe court. Mande na asị bupu ya court. Mande na asị sekpota akuzayon. Mande na asị sekpota the man. Man, the same biko ahụ aya akuzayon na live video. Bukwa the same biko ahụ aya ya me ilwe court. So is it not better na ebido n'oge yewa that biko ahụ? I am sorry, heals a lot of wound. I need to go Bible. Yes, ekwete m ndị ụka. Ekwete m ndị ụka. As onye ụka mbụ David and Moses committed the same offense. David, Moses, and Cain committed the same offense. But one thing separated the two from the other. One thing separated the two from the other, which is mercy. Which is mercy. That's why you say yes, ekwete m na nne joke I bụ ndị ụka ekwete gomene ya. Because now some of you kita na support with this skill. Na support ya na no like Ogechi or no like Ifanyoba. Who na support ya is because na ihunu je ekwo this is because na Ogechi has made herself available to be no come on yoka. And we na choose in everywhere or ya buka ke we megin ke we na eliwe mmadu. Ohunu na acho. And Jpac on his own side, that is why I blame him the more, because now ise na mgena mmadu aju anoze. Icho na ise na ima gena ndị ụka amansozi. Avoid ndị ụka, avoid ikwu maka ndị ụka. Ihe ọbụla gbasara ndị ụka, wepụ ọnụ gị na ya. Ihe ọbụla gbasara gị na ndị ụka. Because anything ọbụla ikwu kwa stirs up anger. Anything ọbụla ikwu stirs up anger. That is the truth, whether undi buy like it or not. Anything obuneku stirs up anger, it stirs up annoyance. That is why they blame me more. Blame me more, I'm not wrong. Because honestly, in Majolia, Obuno no mama can back the truth. Obuno mama made that mistake. I made Jpac me born as a mazi Jpac media. Obuno made that mistake. That because this thing brought Ogechi bido okubia. Let us be sincere to ourselves. Ogomboso okuru oku. Put a photo in Pia. Or they can be hard and that you will kick against it now very, very well. What you should have done, Obono more. Chairman. Nwanyị kibia, odogu nwanyị. Mebele. Bagalo. Iwe wenagi. Let bygone be bygone. I will stay my lane from today. Ezoku na anaghị amachi ụwa, ọmacha anwe ya anaghị amachi ihe niile amacha. Anaghị amachi ihe ụwa niile amacha. Because now, there is no permanent enemy, neither is there permanent friend. I am a permanent enemy, in case you are permanent friend. Our problem is that we don't have the ability to remember. Some of us, I didn't know here, we don't have the ability to remember. Especially in Ndemeli Homa. Ndemeli Homa does not have the mind to remember Homa Emelia. They always count wrong. A lot of you picked on at this commercial now, Bamba. A lot of you has been hurt in one way or the other by Onyunu Nyelaka. that doesn't have the ability to remember saying na no enwekwa mgbe mmadụ nyere m aka somewhere. Onye anụnwa na-eme ha kwa mgbe o nyere m aka somewhere. What then will you have to say? Why no n'ime ya dị omeme? Why me again? I no n'ime ya dị omeme. I'm telling you, if this thing is me, that is one Jaguar. If it is me, this is what I will do. This is again what I will do. Nobody is above mistake in this life. No mistake. Okay, I accept the fact now. First of all, you have to first of all accepting the fact and again that you were wrong in this thing. Then once you accept the fact that you're wrong, back on your image was the avatar say okay, and anugum. Okay, anugum. Mana nekwa. But then all hatred, all anger, yeah, that you have now. That thing see from 100, that thing that you to 30. Then I chose a way to amend every other broken thing. That is why you say that forgiveness is not memory loss. You can forgive somebody. You can keep your boundaries. But first of all, let there be forgiveness. Let there be acknowledging the fact na Let there be acknowledging of fact na and such thing. The comment section, ginger like this. A lot of things it may be here question he gafe within the room. About what's that street, about everywhere. About what street, about everywhere. Onye na kwesịrị iti ọnụ n'okwu, eti ibe ọnụ na ya. Onye na kwesịrị iti ọnụ na ya, onye na kwesịrị iti ọnụ n'okwu, ebido ti ibe ọnụ n'okwu onye na kwesịrị iti ọnụ na ya. Maka gịnị? Because na dị okwu apụtaghị ezi. I'm not in any way supporting Keme again. Ka drag the dead in anything obuna na eme. Man obuna actually ime igwa onwa eziokwu. Let us start by saying kedu onye buzo major. Because a lot of you we are on a comment section Ogechi Okeke na say show us a proof na Jpac kukulia, show us video recording na Jpac kukulia, show us voice recording na Jpac kukulia. It is your word, it is her word against the word of Jpac. So actually said to Lokuya, there must be a center of a center of negotiation, ever standing on where saying yes, onya akulia, no onye ekulia. These are two things in amen because now Mona Gina Abuno here, we are not on that call. We were never there, but that call me. Mwaje station, amorom na emeda call, amorom na emeria. But I went to station to see na me na everything galo forma na station mgbeji Jpac. Ngwele anya megini na account wele ntị megini na anolo ihe na aga on that place. Which na pụtakwa imegini he thanked people that turn up for him. People that turn up for him. A lot of you kita na abamba nwa bụkwa the same people na amoku ife anyu ba mgbe onwuru wele na drag Jpac. Na asị ya na ịmakwa na your helper anwụgo, onye na-abịa enyere gị aka anwụọla, onye na-abịa enyere gị aka anwụọla, ka idosa ọnụ gị ofu ebe. A lot of you know here kwuru that thing. So onwere ihu na ekwuzi ihe bụ ihe ọfụ, onwere ihu na ekwuzi bụ ihe ọfụ. Which I came out that time saying na If people can mock you, mock the dead also. If people can mock the dead because they want to get at you, is it not better you stay away from some certain discussion and some certain and some oku no kana nwere isi? Because all do go very obvious all do go very obvious onye anụnwa Zion anọzi in good terms. So, as I was saying, only na-akọ does not move me. Only na-akọ does not move me. Ọ bụ na mmadụ na-enwe issue that is beyond your common eye, your common understanding. That is beyond your common eye. Somebody have to take the fall. Somebody have to take the fall for another amendment. You gotta go. Somebody have to take it, whether people like it or not. You know what? Because ebe nke nwaanyị bụ ụzọ obodo tata ka Ogechi bebela akwa picture mpia. At the end of the day, gịnị mere? Because amahokwu putere osisi ya. O nweghị ya agwa mmadụ today. Onye ahụ saa gị anyhow, ị nachi ya tazia, take iwezi blame for anything. Okay, now, ọ bụrụ na ị claim na ọ bụrụ ọgwụ ebupụta picture mpia that still got the whole thing. Because onye nwụrụ anwụ bụ onye nwụrụ anwụ, mpia nwụrụ anwụ, Ifeanyi Uba nwụrụ anwụ. Ọ bụrụ na isi na ọ bụrụ ọgwụ ebupụta picture mpia, what you should have done is from the beginning was, mama, ọ bụrụ mwa mere ihe a. Na-ene ka ihe anụnwa si wee mee, but I take the blame because na onye afụrụ ọkụkọ n'aka ya bụ onye oshi. Onye afụrụ ọkụkọ n'aka ya, onye ọbụla n'ogide na a na-achọ ihe achọ na asịda na n'ọgụ na ọ na-be gị ka afụrụ ya, you are the criminal. You have to first of all, mama, I am getting very, 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 very sorry for this thing. Man, if I'm getting me, okwu niile na ọnụma niile me gịnị adajụọ. Because na emelena names has been called. Emelena hearts has been broken. Spirits has been shattered. Spirit has been shattered. Akpọ n'iyi abụnye na asọ mmiri ọnụ. Enwego clash of words, enwego clash of obi. Jpac na-achọ okwu, yes, because na on my own anọgo m like the Jpac kwuo ihe nna merọ. Gwa m ihe ọ na onwe ihe bụ na gwa m ihe ọ na merọ. That is why I blame him more. If na mwa no ebe anwa na non do like this, ya no like this, ikwu ihe nna merọ, mbịa pụta defend you onwe m. What more? Mgbe ọ sese m okwu 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. Quite a lot of things that was never in the picture. Nje pụtakwa here wee mee gịnị? Clear onwe m. Thank God na some proofs they within me. I have to clear because na ọ bụ na imere ya, a lot of people nọkwa here ye believe kwa onwe ndị na-eso mmadụ ka zombie. That is why na asị m na ye blame Jpac. You don't want to talk to Ogechi nkanu. Ọ tata ka Ogechi bebela akwa ozu mpi ya pụtara no. Let us see ourselves the truth. Ọ taa akwa bebela akwa ya. Ọ bụrụ tata ka o bebela akwa ya. Ọ bụrụ tata ka o kwubele ya. Ọ bụrụ ibuzi, ọ bụrụ ibu, ọ bụrụ ịtọ. When we make a categorically say na if you can provide me onye sell photo anye gị. When you provide the person, then you are free from my hand. But since you cannot provide this person, no kwamona again, what you are supposed to do, see, onwere onye mmekọ he with ọsọkwa ya bụrụ onye ntọrọ atọ. Mmekọ he with onye ahụ, if it obuno you say gịnị, si onye ahụ sorry. Chukubeze Okpara also give akwa. Also give akwa, but that's the truth, and I must tell it to you. Also give akwa. Mgbe mpụta here si unu na ọ bụ na Ifeanyi Uba enye ọrụ Jpac aka na cell. Mgbe o jere nganya na nwa Mr. Igbo. What prompted this post anwa dị n'enu ebe a? And you heard from Governor Eziokwu ka esi wee mee call, ka esi wee mee gịnị? Go to them again, send their text message to Ifeanyi Uba. Because people will not believe me. Then Moku Chali and say, yes, Neha many room na station. Why no dear? So after saying that thing, you know wrong car. You know every time again, and somebody is somewhere benefiting from it. Can go Ogo bụ na mmadụ na-abụ na anọ today, somebody somewhere is benefiting from it. Just like ihe nwa na-eme na South East kịta, atọrọ mmadụ, unknown government emere unknown government, somebody somewhere is benefiting from it. Anyị na-ebu ndị Igbo ọbụla bụ onye Igbo nọ ndụ, anyị nwe one element of pride n'ime anyị. One element of pride n'ime anyị, which is gịnị? We are so difficult ise mmadụ sorry. We are so difficult in ise mmadụ sorry. Stand as a man again. Ona ntukula na etukuma na asụ nwaanyị. Otukuma na chịkọ ọkụ mọnụ sef asụ nwaanyị. Mana ị bịa na-asị stand up as a man ka ihe na-emebi. A lot of you are na family now. Unu emeju onwunye unu. Nwoke emeju onwunye ya. You find it very difficult to ise nwaanyị no la no sorry because he is standing up as a man. A lot of you know here now. But you find it very difficult to say sorry. Not because you are standing up as a man. Keep standing up as a man and you will fall and die like a chicken. You will fall and die like a chicken. And you know, one element of pride in him. What element of pride in him? Oh, yeah, I'm Obolo Nabiko. I'm still pleading. I am still pleading. Let's come to a conclusion. And that conclusion will not resolve without the word, I am sorry. That is it. Onwere ihe ya agbagata n'ime ya. Osokwa gị si support onye enu, support onye ana. Like it in good and one here now say what should your human being. Emelenu emelana. Emelenu emelana. Something went down. And that something that went down cannot be corrected except again, I am sorry. I am sorry can heal so many wounds. David yapụtara eme gịnị major chachukwu meheni no melo. At the end of the video, Bulu Bible. Ogubegu, you are good and your mercy is forever. There's nobody like you. And God will want to punish David. He will now look down and say, indeed I have found a man after my heart. Indeed, I have found a man after my heart. As it could be, David bulu mmadụ. As it could be, David bulu mmadụ. Onwere ihe karịrị mmadụ ịnalụ mmadụ nwunye zipu the man or sign all undertaking that he will never come back from that war. The man JD nwụọ. Bulu nwunye mmadụ. And the nwunye mmadụ is what prompted the birth of Solomon. If you will not read your Bible to understand. All that nwunye mmadụ David kpọrọ bụ onye mụta Solomon. But at the end of the day, gịnị mee? Sorry. Moses gburu mmadụ. Gbuo mmadụ lachapụ ọsọ. But in the midst of that running now, he encountered God. In the midst of that, he encountered God. Then what is the difference between Moses, David, and Cain? All of them are murderers. Hanchanine. Mba biadono. Ina-ekwu okwu. Mba biadono, I refuse to leave you. Kina ezugala na-eme ka onye isi na dị mma. Go have a wonderful day. Wabokwa ni yenwe wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Me ichokwa. Obu ni choro don't have a wonderful day. So my own is let there be peace from all sides, from anybody they involved, from everybody they involved, whether na ekwuru okwu ma eme ekwuru okwu na eme nka na emero nka. What I am saying is, and I still say it, Obolona Ifeanyi did not turn off for Jpac. I wish that this video play. The video did not play. I'm not on my volume because I was so tired and when I that video. But if you can go back to the People's Governor page, you check a video on March 8 this year, you will play that video if you where they were thanking Akwa Seaman Global Ifeanyi for turning off for Jpac. Mbono Guinea, Mbono sell. Any other thing I'm na menu, I say Agege, Gabriel, Abro Gabriel, that's none of my business. But the fact remains that this man turned off for him. Likewise others, which was duly noted by Jpac he said it. Akwa Seaman Global na gini one na Ifeanyi by your contact the show. Which was when he started fighting that Akwa on audio billionaire nkanwa, which people reminded him his comment, his post at that time. Say na akwonye na ase bo show bokwa the same person you na akpokwa now. So human being may change. When they through those comments, those people that we are busy now, are the same people can celebrate here now because they feel that he's speaking for Ndenare Joker. Ndenare Joker was expecting you to do your wedding at shrine, but you know, email in a church. Then why not come to a conclusion? He do the needful and happen the church. That is anything nobody about in the church stirs up anger, stirs up ihe na kwesịrị ka ọpụta. Anything nobody na-eme stirs up those things. Then why can't you leave it? Why can't you leave it? Obu no kwa nwa bekene bu personal tongue something bu between imam for them. Amom ka isi ohi ọnụ na family problem mmadụ. Amarom ka isi iti ọnụ na ya. Amarom ya. Amụtarom ya. Then the fact and the thing that is sure, at the end of the day, after all said and done, after the damage has been done, sorry. Maybe from here to UK, from here to London, I don't care. The online supporters club, how do you do? You have been in a online now. If people, if I told me got this area, you have been a mother name at this online, and well and do it we are no. And well, in the he please. So half of the actually me opposite of the opposite of this party naga we don't believe in it. They will come against you. And once they come against you, bido megin a bido ginger bag, sebagin cause because all hakunu ginger gideli jelly. Kita jelly is fighting for his life. Ginger gideli jelly is gonna fighting for his life. I'm commenting for labor, saying I'm was Ogechi Akwa already told you, saying Ogechi has been forgiven even before she starts. Even before she starts. That she has already been forgiven. So some mad na can forget that kind of thing. Ogwali Ogechi, Ogwali Igwe Credo. So even before, for somebody to put where his integrity on the line to say such thing, a man if you go na borrow with social media, because at the end of the day, I want your data on your phone. We will not come back to reality. That in the light you able money because here no I look it up online. That reality hide you able money will not setting on us. We will not think and reason. That is why I buru ebe niile ka for my comment. I buru okwu niile na afọ ka m metie ọnụ. But the reason why I'm here now because now all this guys na if anybody did not show up for Jpac. But like I said, like in a station I galaga, if anybody did not show up for Jpac, what prompted this post? Thank you. Capacity, power, power, power. Capacity, power, power, power. After thanking him, he thanked Akwa and thanked Seaman Global. Ihande Kanondo. Oya pute isi na Akwa did not step up for him. Oya pute isi na Okuria. Ko anybody na apụta na tomorrow na mmadụ ebunye okwu si na mgbe Jpac jekwala nga ndị ụka did not show up for him. I will come at it and debunk it because na gịnị me ndị ụka ha bụ ndị nọ die. Lawyer no that place money akpala nkata bụ lawyer ndị ụka. Which I have conversation. I don't have the privilege of talking to the woman for that place. Ono nke nwoke ahụ anyị na-anọ n'ezi that I have the opportunity to talk to. Oh yeah, so tomorrow na that thing putana mputakwa here na-ekwu na ndị ụka mee nka. A lot of you putakwa here asị mugu you know support ndị ụka ị na-eme nka ị na-eme nka. But that is just the truth. Ka okwu aghara ịgafe like this. Anyị na-ebu mmadụ. Enwere onye obi ya na-eli nke ọjọọ. Enwere onye obi ya na-eli nke ọjọọ. We always like, I like you go see that power tussle of us. Ka I go see by mechazile and then gini mezi after I mechazile those things. After I mechale ya gudi gini we mezi ya. The reason just not blame Jpac more is that na obolo no bido foba that thing that post that lady na-ekwu Ogechi na-ekwu na ibipụta ozu mpam ibipụtala ozu mpam ịma na na-ekwu okwu a nwayọ mgbe ahụ people doesn't know that okwu a dị serious until okwu a wee mee gịnị wee pụta bazi wee bonitebezia and him shouldn't be the person to calm the situation down. Ọ na-ekwu ị na-ekwu ọ na-ekwu ị na-ekwu ọ na-ekwu. I'm not saying that you should not defend yourself. Mana mgbe okwu ha bidoro, what did you do? What did you now do mgbe that okwu hapụta? Onji na agwụrụ na gịnị me? Sorry is not enough to say sorry. It is very much enough for you to say, I am. You are the one to acknowledge the fact that you are the sorry of that thing. No, you are the sorry. A lot of men na no a pride, no arrogant, no gini I'm sorry. But I'm not seeing it as anything. It's about you now being on your choludo. You will be more respected. You will be more honored. You will be more celebrated. You will be more celebrated if you can humbly and gently, since us again, the only thing that can calm this situation, but then if you cannot, since you cannot provide them, or if you cannot, because Nigeria just say Nigeria just say also no London photo. It's not possible. Somebody did it and gave it to you. Ishia, because I will not forget what that lawyer told me that very day. Oselem na Ishia post video madame. If chia na your page, I show the person in order to reach the person faster. I have goes on what I share making made the video first before I show not at the video. Oh, that lawyer gwam. Oh, you gwam that very day. He said it openly to my hearing. because obi ajụọ nke ka nsi mata Jpac nka say yes na niile no into blogging online that I live around we say okay kam bịa since na the case no around ebe no just 1 hour drive or so osem okay but no ko onye advice okucha that thing that very day the thing me gini dele m n'isi dele m n'obi dele na my spirit. Ogechi has every right to blame you for that picture mpia because now since ina nwetero onye nye that picture she have the right to drag it into anything obuna cho drag again now. But I am saying, and this is a wise counsel, I am still saying it and I'm maintaining it. For anybody choludo that will tell you men kanwa men kozo ikwena kwechile, that person I like it again. That person and I'm again I like it again. The person I like it again. Because obuno every time onya every time onya yamakwana onwero ka 1 week yesiga na social media na Jpac anyu ho fie no aka na ekwu na nke anụnwa na aka na ekwu okwu ife anya ba oje post we maka akuza yo no mbosini oje post akwa ka ị na-afụ that's when you say na onye anwelu mkpochi ntị Jpac ada anụ ahịa if you may blame me more where you should is in again and down you should leave them alone. Every time 100 days we in the Wednesday prayer ndị nka ndị ụka ndị adoration, which is wrong, is totally wrong. Let us say the truth and for once we're shame the devil. All these people now clamoring for Ifeanyi but never liked Ifeanyi but from beginning. You guys did not like him from beginning. Because when you believe no one betrayal unu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Man, this man was saying it even when some lawyers were saying no, but people did not believe it. Because somebody somewhere sat somewhere and made you to believe that this young man did it. Till onwa with that thing unekwetero. So my brother, obuni na anu hem n'ekwu ye ge m ntị. Man na asị na men nwere integrity na man has stand there as a man na memero nka na memero nka. The truth is we always prevail against all lies. Because na obunu na emeli ha n'oge. Earlier, Madam Chairwoman, Chair Lady, Biko, 2 yafa, yoya. She may not accept from the beginning. We can say, get out. Achoro me here. Get out. Say that pom niru. Yoya. 2 yafa. After all said and done, all these things semen. Icho fi hemele ha NG ndo na support on ya na nyegi expo. Nda ha na emela akwa. Ona nda ha internship ana akwala akwa. Ogolo fuso yi machine go donate that place or ibu amoito. Bolo mmadu na abuje dia make video. Say just to show you that now I am truly sorry from the depth of my heart. Na ya. Enokwa pim no again. Enokwa pim no. I don't know ya nilik deep expo. Enokwa pim no again. Enokwa pim because no obulu Ogechi nke kpom na phone one certain time. Kpom na phone that have that kind of mind. Don't do kpom na phone. That have that kind of mind. There's still somewhere around her mind that you can still reach. There is still that atom of somewhere around her. Even in the midst of that chaos, in the midst of that goody, there is still somewhere around her that you can still reach. To show, because it's not enough to say that you are sorry. You must have to show it. You must show that again, that and again, it is truly sorry. Because no one ekwu ihe ọ na-ekwu ma ebe ọ gbadoro okwu wee na-ekwu ihe ọ na-ekwu. Ọ mụ ihe ọnụ. and it's not enough nyang you kusi na ihe onu. Her anger was Ozu Mpeya. Ozu the father. That was her anger. Sikuelo onwa eziokwu. Ozu her father. That is the problem. Because now from ihe ọzọ yemi ojino ebe na-ekwu okwu na-eme nka na-eme nke ọzọ no. It's not enough. So bikono do for ndị na-akwanye ọkụ, for ndị na-asị no integrity, for ndị na-asị I'm not standing up as a man, for ndị na-asị na memero nka. After all standing up as a man, will you stand up as a man and die like a chicken? That is the problem. After standing up as a man, will you just go and die like a chicken? That's the question. Because it's not enough to say that na mother, no, sorry. We have to find a way to show that person that you are indeed very, very sorry. Also, the truth of the matter is Jpac talks too much, and it's possible he said that. He has said worse than that just to trend. If Namuma not hear that he can say something, Namero, brand the eye of ma Odike Ezioku. That was why I stood that morning and I debunk it instantly. I stood and I debunked it instantly. From beginning na Jpac and Ekuka. Jpac chose aloku. Or Jpac una John Chanoku. But that's not the way to live as a man. That's not the way to live as a man. Oboria. Sometimes you just have to withdraw, go back and just get an all along again. There's something that shouldn't get your attention. Eziokwu. But no now. Whether you like it or not, we're going to be registered in their mind. They're going to be registered in their head. Because I don't want to believe no Jpac could do such thing. Because this man turned up for him in a station. Or you could say that kind of thing, the man turned up for him, and he still have the mind, where is the shame that he will go and face that man tomorrow to say him thank you. In this case, like I said from the beginning, Governor station, you will not hear my voice. Because now people will not believe it. Let me start doing that drag Matthias can say drag here. Because all you can achieve cause anarchy and anybody. Drag I can say drag here. Yes. Thank you, John. Also, the truth, you never insulted the fan. She just explained what Jpac told her. Only Jpac knows if he told her truth or not. This is what I want people to understand. This is as simple as ABCD. Mana na-akọnụ bidi ndị anụ na-akọnụ na emno ha na Muhammad mo ka isi corrupt mmadụ. Ana akọnụ bidi. But we have said words to this lady. You have provoked the spirit. You have provoked her inner peace. In these things, for you to like I said, for this Oku Anoma to be, somebody have to take the fall. Like the day Nagwe when you saw Oku, who said Bali Akozai, and I told him, Nobu Akozai is from my village. One of my village. Mma achọ we locate ya mfia I will protect that man with everything I have. I will make sure no harm comes to him. Because now, Igwe dike na ogu no, mbosi ihe ike bata achọba odogwu. I will make him first time yokwa ima flat na oga. Na you. Ogo ka mma. Gaba na nso gị n'azụ. Na-aga na nso gị n'azụ na onwere ihe na-eme. Ịma na onye nke a bụ onye nke gị. Ịma na onye nke gị na-love gị anụ nwere bịa jidesie ya ike. It's not enough to love another person and hate. No. It's not enough. Oh, him na-ekwu di ha and I'm still standing by it. Did you say it yes or no? So no mana ka okwu anụnwa si adazi now. Ka okwu anụnwa sizi ada now. Forget about yes or no. For ihe gịnị na ihe si na-eso okwu between me and you. For this thing not to linger anymore. I am gịnị? Sorry. Bim. Okwu ana. Kwuchakwa m ka m n'ọnụ. Ihe esekwa okwu nke a gbasara gị. Dị na ha eso okwu nke a gbasara gị. But the truth remains the truth. Anyị niile bụ mmadụ. Enwere onye bụ onye, nwere onye bụ ekwensu nọ. Nwere onye bụ ekwensu. Enwere ebe anaghị eso okwu. Bible say and there was war in heaven. If na ebe niile na-emechara n'ụwa ọgụ n'eluigwe ahụ a na-anọ. What prompted this eight anyị nọ n'ime anyị enwe katakata na ya? Aya na-enwe. Aya na-enwe. Mana after all said and done, mgbe ị nechara anya inu na anyanwụ na left and right, what were you supposed to do? As onye chọọ udo is I am sorry. Because ọ bụ na ọgụ abụ Jpac bụ ụzọ sịgba na ihe this lady mege, na ihe this lady mege, na ihe this lady mege, na nko bana she was gịnị na-akụ ya ka ekwe na ihe this young man mem, na ihe this young man mem, mana nekwa ihe ọ gwara m. Mana na ihe ọ gwara m. Na ihe ọ gwara m. Nke ahụ mee gịnị? Nke ahụ aga. Onwere onye difficult isi mmadụ sorry. Like mgbe Governor Isiokwu misunderstood me, I will say he misunderstood me. I bring out my phone. Mgbe mkpọ ya kpọ you pick, I brought out my phone and send him the message. Si oga, nekwa ihe men, but gịnị me? I am sorry. It's not difficult to ask. I brought out my phone. God is my witness. That thing will make good dear. Ngodi ho chọrọ ikwu. Ngodi ho chọrọ ime. Ngodi ho chọrọ ikwu anyway or follow mo. He will understand in his subconsciousness that this young man in one way or the other has gone ahead of time to quench ọkụ na-achọ ịgba agba tomorrow. Ọ pụta ọfụ m eche ebe mmadụ na-emegbu m ọ mmadụ ya chinye ọ mkpọ ya for help tomorrow. Do you think that he will not help? I'm strong, Ijof. Amara m ịdala ọfụ here. Amara m ịbatala ọfụ. What I would suggest ninja generally a video anụnwa from beginning. I don't sure na ịbatala ọfụ here. I don't sure. Ọ bụ na ọkịta ka ị na-ajụ na believe na inene video anụ ya ebido n'isi. Inene bịa ka ị mara ebe okwu m si wee lue to this level. Yotago. Ị mara ebe okwu m or low to this level. Ezeaku is not always mocking, he's not only mocking the dead. Ezeaku is desecrating an Igbo. Ezeaku is not only mocking the dead. Ezeaku is desecrating an Igbo. Ihe niile Igbo jide Igbo bụ Ezeaku na-aghasị ya. Ọ bụ na ị mara ka ị mara ya kịta. But that is not why I'm here. But that is not why I'm here. Ogechi ewepụta her phone ya. Whatever find your basia onye anwoka omande natale gị na mma na ihe collide wee mee mmadụ ibe gị na ihe gị na mmadụ ibe gị na-apịtọ na ihe gị na mmadụ ibe gị na-eme nke a. She never brought out her phone to do it. If you can have your rethink, ọbụlụ ga-ada ebe a itinye ebe a. If you can have that rethink ahụ, man, there's nothing like mockery here. Mmadụ kwuru ihe mmadụ ọ sị na mmadụ gwara ya. Like this comment, it's left for you to say yes or no. Mana put I'm here again because of video Governezo Kumele Nyana station as a witness of ihe melono. We're going to say that yes, there was a turn off for Ifanyuba for this man called Jpac Mbono Nangao. Because now, Obulu no enwere here the turn up. What prompted that post? Like this one and screenshot on here. Us again. No, Omen on March 7. What prompted that post? Because now another video. Chelo can been play this video before. Now another video here.
In addition, I want to thank one of our upcoming blogger. This guy is
Igbo channel,
Igbo Channels TV.
Igbo Channels. Chai.
It was from morning till night for sacrificing that day.
And oh God.
May God bless you.
Hey, which is
Please follow him. He's a good guy.
Very.
He's a good guy.
Good morning, viewers. My name is Ogechi Okeke Njaka, son of the great Shanamai that lives among the angels. If you're here with me this morning, I just want to say a very big thank you to these very few individuals who happens to be great. Alright.
Now this video was done March
First,
8.
I'm speaking to you from the city of Lagos State.
Yeah, March 8 came in this video.
From Lagos.
From the Nabambana corner.
Yesterday, I was at Zone 2 Police Command on behalf of Jpac, Akwa, and I am making this video as a stage of appreciation to somebody like Igbo Channels TV. Money is not everything, but you see those people who stand by you in time of difficulties, you must appreciate them. You must say thanks to them for whom they are. Everyone is busy in one way or the other. If you've got nothing to do, sometimes you may be reading. Sometimes you may have something different to do. As long as you're on the internet space, whatever happens to anybody in tears, you must stand with somebody. Then in good, you must equally do the same thing. The reason why I'm making this video is very simple. People only talk when you do good to people. They will be on the side of gossip and say, why would you do such for him or her? They don't know where you started your journey with the person. Igbo Channels TV, you are a good guy. And I just want to say thank you to you. Yesterday, while I was at the police, we were doing everything to ensure that Jpac goes home yesterday. All the dignitaries who played a big role there to ensure that intimidation would never stand. I have to mind what I will say this morning because I was a shorty.
What's not a shorty?
Yeah, yesterday. So, Igbo Channels TV, thank you for coming from where you are. Good morning. Good morning, Ernest, Ezugo, Princess Lizzie Gold, Martin, Doris, Informer. I want to say a very big thank you all for following me this morning. Igbo Channels TV is a good guy. I want to tell you thank you. Thank you for being there yesterday. OG Kings, you're welcome here. Thank you for coming out yesterday. Thank you. You were there from morning till when that matter was settled yesterday. Thanks to you. Thanks to Senator Ifanyuba. Thanks.
Inugia now. Inugia now. In Anuya. Obono ye can make video on matata monya okakwe na-ekwu. Mana just hear it.
To Seaman Global. Thanks to many of you. I will say a very big thank you to very, very, very good number of you. Akwa Zion, I want to say thank you to you.
I believe no eba ka dị okwu na wee mee gịnị si wee chịkọta ikwuchakwa m ka ọha m n'ọnụ n'ụbọchị nke taata ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.